Can I safely use Maggie's Farm indoor products around pets? Maggie's Farm products can be used safely around pets, as long as you follow the label directions. Our line of botanical EPA-exempt products are made with plant oils such as rosemary, cinnamon, and peppermint, and are classified by the Environmental Protection Agency as minimum-risk pesticides. Every active and inert ingredient is approved as food-grade ingredients, or classified as generally recognized as safe by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration. However, it is important to note that some plant oils can be problematic for cats, particularly wintergreen oil. Cats cannot metabolize essential oils the way humans and other mammals do. Some tips when using our products around cats. Never directly spray cats with plant oil-based products, and do not apply products in areas where cats frequent, particularly if they contain wintergreen oil. The Maggie's Farm products that contain wintergreen oil are home bug spray, spider and insect dust, mosquito fogger, and yard bug spray. It is important to keep in mind that some pets, just like humans, may not like the fragrance of some plant oils and may stay away from areas treated until the fragrance dissipates. Maggie's Farm EPA-registered products, which includes our insect baits and bedbug dust, will not be harmful to pets if used as directed. If you have any questions or concerns about using any Maggie's Farm product around your pets, please call our customer service at 816-379-5387.